A blessed day, learners. Be ready and prepare yourself as we embark, learn, and enjoy this video. This time we study the professional education, historical foundations, modern conceptions of education, education for patriotic citizenship, nationalistic conception. Be safe, and God bless you always. This is Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Education for patriotic citizenship, nationalistic conception. Edukasyon para sa makabayan na pagkamamamayan, nationalistic conception. While nationalism emphasizes the unity of the cultural past with the inclusion of the language and heritage, patriotism is based on love towards people with a greater emphasis on values and beliefs. Habang binibigyang diin ng nasyonalismo ang pagkakaisa ng nakaraan pangkultura na may kasamang wika at pamana, ang pagiging makabayan ay nakabatay sa pagmamahal sa mga taong may higit na diin sa mga pagpapahalaga at paniniwala. Aim, to develop military preparedness and aggressiveness for the preservation and glorification of the state. Layunin, upang bumuo ng kahandaan at pagiging agresibo ng militar para sa pangangalaga at pagluwalhati ng Estado. Methods, practical. Pamamaraan, praktikal. Content, social studies. Nilalaman, araling panlipunan. Proponent, no recorded proponent. Proponent, walang naitalang nagsusulong.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic on professional education, historical foundations. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.